The DJI Osmo Pocket series has steadily evolved into a beloved tool among vloggers, travelers, and content creators who seek professional-grade video quality in a highly portable package. Since the release of the original Osmo Pocket in 2018, DJI has maintained a rhythm of introducing new models approximately every 3 years. Each version has brought meaningful improvements in imaging, stabilization, usability, and overall performance. With the Pocket 3 released in October 2023, excitement is building around what the next generation, likely to be called the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, might offer. Based on a mix of credible leaks, forum discussions, and DJI's recent trends, the Pocket 4 appears poised to be a substantial upgrade, blending compact mobility with powerful professional-grade capabilities. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 4 will likely be a 1-inch CMOS sensor, consistent with the Pocket 3. However, leaks suggest that DJI is working closely with Hasselblad, its long-term camera partner known for premium color science and optical quality, to refine the image output. This partnership has already been successful in DJI's high-end drones like the Mavic 3 Pro, and it now seems to be extending into the handheld space. While the Pocket 3 had a 9.4 megapixel effective resolution, the Pocket 4 could see this bump to 12 megapixels. This modest increase may not sound revolutionary on paper, but it means higher clarity in stills and better fine detail retention in video. Some online speculation pointed to a 100 megapixel sensor, but given the physical limitations of a compact gimbal camera, that number is more likely clickbait than reality. A 12 megapixel Hasselblad-tuned sensor seems much more plausible and far more balanced for performance and efficiency. The lens is rumored to be a fast f2.0, which should improve low light performance while preserving sharpness across the frame. With Hasselblad's input, color rendition is also expected to be more accurate and cinematic out of the box. Important for creators who want ready-to-use footage with minimal grading. The Osmo Pocket 4 could make a dramatic leap in video frame rates, with rumors suggesting support for 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second. This would double the slow-motion capabilities compared to the Pocket 3, opening up creative possibilities for sports, action shots, or expressive B-roll. It also speaks to the improved internal processing power. DJI is likely integrating into the new device. In addition to high frame rates, the camera is expected to continue supporting 10-bit color, D-Log-M profiles, and HDR video. These features are critical for creators who want to push the boundaries of color correction and dynamic range in post-production. Real-time HDR previews are also hinted at, which would allow users to see what their footage will look like without waiting to import it. Another interesting aspect is vertical video support, rumored to offer 3K resolution at 120 frames per second. This points to a growing recognition by DJI of platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. By supporting vertical formats natively, Pocket 4 may help creators streamline their content workflows across different platforms. Display and user interface usability is expected to take a significant step forward with a brighter, larger 2.5-inch touchscreen. The current Pocket 3 features a 2-inch screen, which, while rotatable and sharp, can be slightly cramped for detailed framing and control. Increasing the screen size to 2.5 inches, especially with an expected brightness of around 800 nits, will make outdoor shooting more comfortable and interactive. Reports suggest that the screen will also feature better touch responsiveness, making it easier to adjust settings on the fly or quickly frame a shot. This becomes crucial in fast-paced shooting environments, such as travel or event vlogging. The body itself is rumored to remain compact but slightly heavier than before, around 190 grams. This is a minor increase that could be attributed to better components, such as improved heat dissipation, a larger battery, or more robust gimbal motors. Still, it would remain pocketable and highly mobile, a defining feature of the series. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature faster autofocus performance, likely leveraging phase detection autofocus technology. This would mark a welcome improvement over contrast detection systems, especially in low light or high motion situations. The addition of eye-tracking autofocus would further enhance its ability to keep subjects sharp and well-framed, even if they're moving rapidly or the camera is panning. DJI's renowned 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization is, of course, returning. In fact, it's reportedly getting a boost with more refined motors and better EIS electronic image stabilization's integration for smoother hybrid stabilization. This ensures cinematic footage even when walking, running, or operating in less than ideal conditions. One of the biggest upgrades in this area is expected to be ActiveTrack 7.0, a new generation of DJI's intelligent subject tracking system. Battery life has always been a slight limitation in the Pocket lineup, but DJI may finally address this in a significant way. The Pocket 4 is rumored to support up to 200 minutes of continuous recording on a full charge, more than double the Pocket 3's roughly 90-minute runtime. Rapid charging is also expected, with the device possibly reaching full charge in about 25 minutes. This could be facilitated by USB-C PD power delivery charging protocols, which are increasingly becoming standard across DJI's product ecosystem. Under the hood, DJI is likely using a new processor with better image signal processing (ISP) capabilities. This would allow for faster shooting-to-preview transitions, improved responsiveness in the UI, and smoother app integration. DJI has developed a reputation for bundling thoughtful accessories into its creator combo packages, and the Pocket 4 will likely continue this tradition. Expected items include a wireless microphone, potentially upgraded for better range and quality, a mini joystick for precision control, a wide-angle lens adapter, a waterproof case, ND filters, a tripod mount, and even a telephoto lens for creative zoom shots. This would make the device even more attractive to mobile journalists, live streamers, and event vloggers. Some sources also hint at better integration with Osmo audio transmitters, allowing multiple microphones to connect at once, ideal for interviews or multi-subject content. While this is less confirmed, it aligns with DJI's direction in improving audio capture across its product range.